The battle for the Cyclops position continues. After the initial artillery strikes, it is time for the infantry to do the hardest work, clearing the enemy from the earth itself. Our assault group approaches the edge of the trench network. Every meter is paid for with fire. The drone above serves as the eyes of the commander, guiding the boys through the labyrinth of death. Contact. The first enemy dugout is reached. A grenade goes in. The only way to clear a hole without losing your own. The air is thick with smoke, dust, and the smell of gunpowder. There is no room for error here. It's a game of seconds and reflexes. The enemy is resisting fiercely, hiding in the deep bends of the Cyclops. Our fighters move in pairs. While one suppresses the corner with lead, the other moves up. This is the brutal reality of trench warfare. Manual labor that decides the fate of the front line. We reach the central hub. The resistance here is the most desperate. The commander's voice over the radio is steady, directing the final push. More grenades, more suppressive fire. The enemy is forced to choose: surrender or stay in this soil forever. The position is ours. The Cyclops has been blinded, but there is no time for celebration. The boys immediately begin to turn the guns around, preparing for the inevitable retaliatory shelling. The battle for this sector is won, but the war continues. Glory to the K-2 Battalion, glory to Ukraine.